We will explore the concept of zero defects and its biggest contributors in the modern manufacturing process in this video. While some sources emphasize on the importance of having zero defect mindset, Philip Crosby identified operator workmanship as the biggest obstacle to achieving zero defects in the 1960s. However, with the advancement of technology and complex supply chains, achieving zero defects require more than just good workmanship. Design for manufacturability is essential to ensure products are designed for efficient and effective manufacturing. Unfortunately, many manufacturing lines still struggle to achieve zero defects and Six Sigma quality due to poor product design. In this video, we will dispel the misconception that workmanship and manufacturing process alone can achieve zero defects and explain why following the principles of DFM is crucial.
The world is actually still haunted by poor product design, especially in those traditional industries where the product life cycle is more than 30 years, such as industrial equipments, aerospace, where those products are designed without design for manufacturability principle. Unfortunately, most of these companies, especially those big multinational companies, choose not to acknowledge poor design of their products. Product design is actually the biggest obstacles to achieve zero defects. And the interesting part is that when I search for zero defects in internet and including YouTube, none stated that design is the main obstacles in achieving zero defects. Everyone has been brainwashed to think that manufacturing process is the only culprit and manufacturing process can compensate to poor design.
If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content.
What is design for manufacturability? Let's look at some of the strategy. In design for manufacturability, it should be cover all aspects of the product. That means process design are evaluated to achieve optimum product cost, cycle time, and the highest possible quality. Means that quality has to be designed in. It needs to consider an efficient manufacturing process in terms of cost, resources, and time to achieve the best quality. That means while designing, the engineer has to think of how this product should be manufactured at the best cost, resource, and also time. Create a robust product design that is insensitive to long-term process inputs variations. Means that if there is a material variations, this design should be able to compensate for that, and it still is a good or robust or consistent quality. And the fourth is manufacturing and test engineer influence the product design to make it manufacturable and testable possible to minimize cycle time, reduce parts, and use robust manufacturing methods. Robustness here means that simplicity or simplified to achieve optimum level. And lastly, concurrent engineering design method to optimize relationship between design functions, manufacturability, and ease of assembly. If all these 5 strategies were to follow, don't you think you have a product that is easy to manufacture with good quality to the customer. To have a more in-depth understanding on DFM, we must also understand about concurrent engineering. In DFM, concurrent engineering takes place where all stakeholders are able to give their input in a product design so that the requirements to produce a good quality product from various functional teams are captured into the design. It will look at design for assembly, design for manufacture, design for quality, design for service, and design even for disassembly. This is where the X comes from, the many design for in this context, where different products, attributes, and manufacturing functions. In DFM, the key process inputs that are considered are materials, which include suppliers' early involvement, and the process input of machine and processes and methods, that is the process step to transform the products, is considered to ensure the sustainability of a product quality in a manufacturing process. Design for manufacturability is a must to achieve zero-defect products, where the principles of DFM must be followed. Some of these major DFM principles, these are not all, this is the major ones, includes design simplicity with least parts to reduce complexity in supply chain and manufacturing process. That means you don't have to deal with so many materials or long bill of material list. It's easier to assemble those products. Second is design which is simple to transform. That means it's easy for operators to transform or to add in or to join together those parts to become a final product. And finally is the availability of raw materials. That means you must have a sustainable supply chain.
Are you ready to take your manufacturing supplier quality engineering career to the next level? Look no further. I am excited to introduce to you my comprehensive and affordable courses available on Udemy. Whether you are preparing for a job interview or looking to advance your skills, my courses on supplier quality engineering, audits, quality tools on NSA, SPC, FMEA, Lean Six Sigma, problem solving, specialized process control audit in metal stamping, plastic injection molding, printed circuit board assembly, spray painting, and more have got you covered. Each course comes with complete downloadable guides, templates, or checklists that you can immediately apply to your job. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in your career. With on-demand video, you can access the course from anywhere on your mobile device, giving you the flexibility to learn on the go. And with a Udemy certificate of completion and lifetime access to course materials, you will equip with valuable resources, templates, guides, checklists to take your career to the next level. Follow the link below to check my courses or scan the QR code to start your journey to success today.
Be able to supply consistent quality materials. Unfortunately, most of the products comes from the traditional over-the-wall approach design, where I design it and you build it. During the concept or the development phase, the main theme is only design engineering and marketing. It's like a secret society where Marketing will give feedback on what customers want, and the design team will just design according to the customer's features. And during design validation is still very few people gets involved, and also during the prototype there is not many people that gets involved, and after that they will just throw it over the wall to the pilot view, where the main team, the production, the procurement, and the quality starts to involve. During launch, this is where the main team will have a problem, and the design team has already washed their hand. Don't you think the world would have been a better place if all product designs follow the DFX concept for simplicity and manufacturability? I hope I have enlightened you on the main factor which contribute to zero defects. And zero defect is not just about mindset. It's about actions towards reducing the defect.
I hope you found today's video helpful in gaining a better understanding of manufacturing, supplier, and quality engineering. I love to hear your thoughts on what topics you like me to cover. So feel free to share your comments below. If you find this video valuable, please share it with others who might benefit from it too. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to bring you a more insightful content in my future videos.